The Southwest Tobago Wastewater Development Project is part of a wider program by the Water and Sewerage Authority of Trinidad and Tobago, targeting enhanced service to customers and protection for the surrounding environment and human health. Funding for this project was provided in part by the Inter-American Development Bank in collaboration with the Government of Trinidad and Tobago. This intervention signals a positive turnaround for the island as it directly addresses the issue of land-based wastewater pollution on the surrounding coastal areas. Not only is the southwest area of Tobago a popular and scenic area for tourists and locals alike, but the region is also home to the Bucco Reef and Bon Accord Lagoons, which are of tremendous ecological importance to the island. The new wastewater system was designed by Alpha Engineering and Designs 2012 Limited to have minimal impact on the surrounding environment. In fact, the two wastewater treatment sites at Bon Accord and Salmon Grove continue to boast a healthy bird population, attracting bird enthusiasts from across the globe. The collection system consists of a network of small bore and conventional sewer lines, transmitting wastewater flows to two large treatment systems, known as waste stabilization ponds, located in Bon Accord and Salmon Grove. As part of this design, on-lot septic tanks remove solids and grease from the raw wastewater before entering the small bore lines. Gravity-fed sewer pipelines then take the wastewater to lift stations strategically placed across the network. These lift stations ensure that wastewater flow is maintained along the collection route in a controlled and constant manner. The Bon Accord systems starts along Lighthouse Road and continues collecting wastewater from properties in the Crown Point, Pigeon Point and Bon Accord areas. On the other hand, the Salmon Grove system collects wastewater from Bucco Village, Coral Gardens, Golden Grove and Milford Court. Where on-lot systems were not available, larger conventional sewer lines collect and transmit wastewater to large anaerobic tanks, which removes the solids and grease. After treatment, the effluent then joins the small bore collection system. Smaller anaerobic tanks are also used to pre-treat high-strength wastewater from fish processing facilities in Bucco and Bon Accord before transmitting to the waste stabilization ponds for secondary and tertiary treatment. At the waste stabilization site, wastewater is first pumped into the facultative ponds, which are specially designed to promote the removal of organics. The presence of organics seriously compromise water quality and is therefore one of the main processes in wastewater treatment. Treatment occurs via two biological treatment zones, an aerobic layer at the surface and an anaerobic layer below. The process relies on a delicate balance. Closer to the surface, the algae provides the vital oxygen source for respiration by the bacteria, allowing the breakdown of organic matter. In turn, deeper below, the organic matter produces carbon dioxide for the algae. This symbiotic relationship between the algae and the bacteria provides the basis for this natural method of wastewater treatment. The effluent from these ponds are then channeled to a series of shallower maturation and polishing ponds, which use sunlight and natural aerobic processes to destroy harmful bacteria such as fecal coliform. The Bon Accord waste stabilization ponds were upgraded to handle a capacity of 1,834 cubic meters per day, or approximately 4 times the original capacity. It consists of 2 facultative ponds, 2 maturation ponds, and 3 polishing ponds. The stabilization ponds at the Salmon Grove plant originally had a capacity of 107 cubic meters per day, which has been upgraded to handle 1,666 cubic meters per day. The final effluent exits the facility into collection drains, where it is released into naturally occurring wetlands. The completion of the Southwest Tobago Wastewater Development Project is of great significance to the island of Tobago. The system utilizes a sustainable and eco-friendly solution to wastewater treatment, fulfilling the primary objectives of protecting human health, water resources, and the coastal waters surrounding the island. These environmentally sensitive areas are critical to the tourism and fishing industries. The system will also provide much-needed protection to the marine life, mangroves, and coral reefs that inhabit the coastal area.